Hello again. So even though we left Edinburgh with plenty of time to spare, we managed to miss our boat. Anyway, we have been able to get new tickets for 3 o'clock one, and I just look at my wrist, I have no watch, but never mind. We finally arrived at Loch Ness. So in a little while we're going to take a boat in the lake and see if we're lucky and find some monsters. That was actually a very nice boat tour. Some beautiful sightseeings and of course the castle. Price wise you pay about £15 per person for a 1 hour tour, and for £20 you can actually have a 1 hour stop at the castle, get off the island, have a look around and then come back. We have seen some monsters, but none of them were in the water. So we're gonna go for some lunch and then we're gonna drive to Eilean Castle, which is our next destination in Scotland. So I'm gonna stay here for a little while and just enjoy the weather. Okay, so when one travels, one must try the traditional food. So when you're in Scotland, you must try haggis. Now I deliberately didn't look up what's in here or... Oh, there's some more coming, thank you.
You're very welcome, enjoy.
Thank you very much. I deliberately didn't look up what's in here, so I have absolutely no clue what haggis is. So let's give it a try. This is exciting. Oh. I really can't place the flavor. It's very smooth. Like sticky rice texture. That looks really nice. That's teddies? No, actually. Oh, that's beautiful actually. Well, actually I didn't know what to expect because you don't know what it is. But this is actually really nice. I will ask later on what's in here. It's beefy. It's very smooth. But like I said, sticky rice texture. Oh, actually really nice. Yeah. So if you come to Scotland, don't forget to try the haggis. Bon appetit!
Something in your teeth? Cheers. So how was it?
Very nice, absolutely surprisingly nice. So we're now going to ask the chef what's in the haggis. I'm curious. Hello, sir. Good evening. How are you doing?
Very good. How are you?
Very well, thank you.
Nice to meet you.
Yeah, first of all, thank you for the lovely meal.
Thank you.
Now, for me, it was the first time I had haggis, and I was curious what's inside.
Okay, so the haggis is usually the sheep uva or pluck. So it's the heart, livers, the stomach, and it's minced together with onions, suet, salt, pepper, and suet is a fat that's usually found around the kidneys.
Okay.
So that's all minced together and bind it with oatmeal. And it's put in a big log. We get our meats from a local butcher called Grants of Speyside, and they supply us with a lot of our good meats. We're really happy with their quality.
That was absolutely beautiful, because I didn't know what was inside. That's why I ordered first, try first and ask. That's absolutely beautiful. Thank you very much.
Thank you. And it comes with the whiskey sauce, the meats, and the mashed potatoes.
What is neat?
So it's like suet, like turnips.
Ah, tennis.
Yes.
Okay. Oh.
My name is Piers.
Bastiaan, very nice to
Bastiaan.
meet you.
Nice to meet you.
What's your name?
Yolanda.
Yolanda. Have a great day.
Yeah, thank you so much.
Thank you very much for that.
Very nice.
Ja, we hebben nu nog de hele avond.
So, what are you doing?
What does it look like?
I don't know. No B&B this time?
No, no luck. Everything was overbooked.
Yeah.
So,
We looked
luckily-
for 2-3 hours.
Luckily we found we brought a tent, so it's not much, but it's enough.
So show me how you do it.
Yeah, you might want to fast forward that, because this is going to take
Well,
not my field of expertise.
good luck.
Yeah,
I'm gonna take my bottle of wine and
that sounds more like you. And voila. So, we're all set for tonight. Lovely environment in the middle of the Highlands of Scotland. So, as we did in Argentina, we did not book any hotels or bed and breakfast upper hand. We go day by day. So far we've been able to find very cheap bed and breakfast, about 20 to 40 pounds per night, really nice. Tip, advice is that you sometimes have to look for, not to the city where you want to go, but the 1 or 2 cities further is always cheaper. And in case of emergency, it's a smart move to bring a tent.
Yeah.
And you can sleep with nature.
yeah, it's first time for us, isn't
First time.
Yeah.
So
it? Cozy.
go see this. It just really barely fits in the tent, but hey, we got a place to sleep, and I'm gonna show you the views. Look how beautiful. So, we're gonna have some sleep. Well, not yet right now, but later on. And
For now, have a nice evening.
have a nice evening. We'll see what tomorrow will bring. Bye bye.
Bye.